Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys our evening routine. My husband is busy shopping baby stuff, and for some reason this is the kind of vibe we like in our house, like just very low lights. Say hi ma.
Hello.
Yeah, very low lights. Shilpa, call Shilpa, and all of that. So now I'm just going to make chai.
Yes, please.
Chai for my husband. I don't drink chai. My husband does. But yeah, I'll just make tea for him and then get to cooking whatever dinner that we're going to eat tonight. The kitchen's a little messy. I'm also going to just deal with that.
Thank you. Nice.
Now this is usually the time where me and my husband, we like to sit and talk and not be on our phones, and we just catch up. And I have this habit that whenever my husband asks something, I will lick it and give it to him just to test if he's going to have it or not. But yeah, we just like talking, and I like eating during this time. So husband and I have decided to go to the supermarket, just to buy some stuff for dinner, and that way I can also get my evening walk. This place has become very noisy. You have to lock.
I'm just gonna touch.
So yeah, we're just going to take a walk and buy some stuff and be back. I can't walk.
Then you waddle. You're like Pingu.
Pingu?
Pingu.
Okay, so for dinner tonight, I think I'm going to make stir-fried vegetables with chicken because it's healthy. And from yesterday, my husband and I have been eating biryani. Today in the afternoon also we ate biryani, because biryani, the older it is, the better. So for night, I thought we'll have something healthy. So I'm just going to make some stir-fried vegetables with chicken. It's very easy but very delicious. So yeah, let's get started. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of salt in water and cut broccoli and soak it in salt water. You can use any vegetables you have. We had this, so this is what I used. Next I used some zucchini. I just cut some zucchini, and then I also cut mushroom. This recipe is so easy, it's filling and it's healthy, and you will be completely satisfied. Now to prep the chicken also, you don't need much. You just need some chicken breasts, and just use some salt and pepper and just marinate it and leave it for 5 minutes. Now you can cook this together in 2 different pans. It will hardly take any time. It is that quick and that delicious. So I'm just going to add olive oil in both the kadais, and in one I'm going to cook the chicken, and one I'm going to make the stir fry. But make sure that you are doing both of this on low heat, and you will also need some crushed garlics. Now as you can see, I just put the chicken in one pan, and I will cook this on low heat. And just when the chicken is leaving water, that is when I will add the other ingredient. And for the stir fried, depending on how long each vegetable takes to cook, I'm going to put that in the pan. So first I'm going to just fry a little bit of garlic until it's brown, and then add broccoli. Once I've added broccoli, I will add zucchini and then mushroom to it, and then add a little bit of pepper and salt. Once you feel like one side of the chicken is cooked, you just flip some and then add a little bit of dark soy sauce. Now I don't know why the packaging is so difficult to pour, but you do not need much. It looks like I'm pouring much because of the way it's coming out, but I'm just going to add a little bit of dark soy sauce and then just mix it and then let it slow cook on low medium until it is completely dry. I like the chicken to be a little burnt on the kadai, but if you don't like it, you can obviously, once it's dry, switch it off and your chicken is pretty much ready. And next I do the same thing with the stir fried. I just let it cook on low heat and I add a little bit of pepper and salt. And if you want, you can also add soy sauce to this, but it'll just become too salty. So I'm just going to let this cook on low medium heat. And I also have a little bit of cut lettuce that I keep aside and that I will add later, because I don't like the lettuce to lose its crunch, so I always add it at the end. And that's it. That's pretty much how you should make this. It's very easy, very healthy, but very, very delicious.
Wow.
Now, if you are someone like my husband who loves extra masala and seasoning, you should definitely try this Italian seasoning from Kea. It's very good, very delicious.
I will write a minute on myself my safety and send it with you on your outgoing.
It's so good.
For someone who doesn't like broccoli,
I like broccoli, but I can't eat anything veg
because it's my job to safeguard
by itself.
security
It
and
needs not.
London's in his absence. I've heard things in the ale houses.
is the chicken
I'm
fried?
not concerned about what
very
you've
nice.
heard in the ale houses. Our security is excellent. The host guards will not allow a threat inside this room.
Now, I've been liking eating sweet lately, but I like to have it in the form of fruits. And nowadays, I'm really into watermelon, so I make sure to always have watermelon before bed or after dinner. And yeah, this is our evening routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.